everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to the April monthly rewind. In today's video I'm going to be using this April monthly kit from my mom's shop Boodlesdoodlesdesign, and I'm also going to be pulling in elements from the April weekly kit, which just has the boxes and the thin washi that I want to use. So getting started, I'm just going to lay the bones of the kit and I will get back to you guys. So the first thing that I want to mark is that we had to pay rent on this day, and I'm just using a rent due sticker from Pink Leaf Prints and a flag from Erin Condren. I really like how the flags from the planners actually matched this kit pretty well. The next thing that I want to mark on the second is that we had our very first Etsy sale at Boodlesdoodlesdesign, so I'm just using this thumbs up munchkin from Once More with Love. Then on the third, I wanted to mark that we had a huge spring cleaning. I mean, top to bottom, I mopped and scrubbed the floors, all of that. Then on the fourth, I wanted to mark that I was just having a lot of anxiety on this day, so I'm using this Nope Girl from the Fox and Pip, and Feeling Anxious script is from Shine Sticker Studio. Coming down to the 5th, I just wanted to mark that I did a hair mask on this day, and I'm using this little wash hair beanie from Every Minute a Story, and this Me Time script I think is from GL Designs Group, and then I'm just using this little hollow divider that came with a Scribble Prints Co. freebie, and then that little teardrop is from the Erin Condren stickers. On the 6th, I wanted to mark that I edited a plan with me, and I'm just using this hexagon from Erin Condren. This laptop is from Sassy Planner Co., and then the edit plan with me is from my mom's shop, Boodlesdoodlesdesign. On the 7th, I wanted to mark that Shane and I had a movie night. We watched End of Watch on this night, and I'm just using this little couple watching TV from the Fox and Pip, and that little hollow vine is from Scribble Prints Co. On the 8th, I wanted to mark that I uploaded my plan with me, and I'm just using that flat lay from Daily Dose of Stickers, and that upload plan with me is from my mom's shop, Boodlesdoodlesdesign. On the 9th, I wanted to mark that we had a terrible storm on this day and a power outage, so I'm just using these little rain boots and umbrella from the Fox and Pip, and that label is from the kit. On the 10th, I just wanted to mark that we had a lazy day, so I'm using this little lazy day couch from the GP Studio. Oh my goodness. On the 11th, I just wanted to watch that this was the day that we started Tiger King. So I'm using that little post-it note from Daily Dose of Stickers, and the TV is also from Daily Dose of Stickers. On the 12th, that's when we discovered that we had bed bugs, and so I'm using this little Why Me munchkin from Once More with Love, and the little spray bottle is from Planning Boss. On the 13th, I wanted to mark that we washed all of our laundry on this day, so I'm using this little laundry girl from The Fox and Pip, and the laundry day script is from Planner Kate. On Tuesday, the 14th, I wanted to mark that I had terrible sleep the night before, and it was just awful, so I'm using this little Can't Sleep Girl from Pink Leaf Prints, and I'm just using a label from the kit. On the 15th, I wanted to mark that I just filmed a couple of workouts for my client, and so I'm using this little workout girl from Sassy Planner Co., and that work script is from Planner Kate. On the 16th, I'm wanting to mark that I worked on the Etsy shop with my mom, and this was actually the day that we picked up some really new, fun, exciting items that we're going to be launching very, very soon. So make sure you're following my mom's shop, Boodlesdoodlesdesign, because a bunch of new things are coming. So I will link that down below. On the 17th, I just wanted to mark that we worked Etsy all day on this day. For these 2 days, it was really heavy Etsy shop work. So I'm using this little So Busy Girl from The Fox and Pip, and the little foil is from Erin Condren. On Saturday, I just wanted to mark that we did a very huge grocery shopping run. So this little shopping bag is from Planning Boss, and the shopping script is from the Happy Planner. On the 19th, I wanted to mark that I wore makeup for the first time in like forever, and I also wanted to mark that I filmed my Plan With Me on this day using a little film munchkin, and then the film Plan With Me script is from my mom's shop, Boodlesdoodlesdesign, but you can't see it because it's out of frame because I'm great like that. Going over to the 20th, I wanted to mark that we cleaned our house again. I've been doing that so much this month, obviously, and I'm just using this little cleaning beanie from Every Minute a Story, and the spring cleaning script is from Pink Leaf Prints. On the 21st, I wanted to mark that I was just having a very blah day, so I'm using this little Not Today Girl from The Fox and Cactus, and the blah script is from Happy Planner. On the 22nd, I wanted to mark that I started taxes on this day, so I'm using this Overwhelmed Paperwork Girl from Daily Dose of Stickers. And then jumping over to the 23rd, I wanted to mark that I almost got hit in the parking lot of the grocery store while I was doing a grocery pickup with my sister. So I'm using this little angry car beanie from Every Minute a Story, and that UGG script is from the Happy Planner. And all of the hollow is from the same Scribble Prints Co. sampler that I got. So that's where that little squiggle divider is from. Jumping over to the 24th, I wanted to mark that I went on a very long run on this day, and I'm using a hexagon from Erin Condren, and that run sticker is from Planner Kate, and again, that foil is from Scribble Prints Co. On the 25th, I wanted to mark that we cooked dinner on this day. So I'm just using a little meal prep board because we went over to Shane's grandparents and actually had a barbecue, and so I made a salad. And in this frame, you can't see, but I marked that we did chores, and I did the dishes over at my parents' house. So I'm just using a little Doing the Dishes Girl from Shine Sticker Studio, and the chores script is from the Happy Planner. On Monday the 27th, I wanted to mark that this is the day that I ordered my new Erin Condren, and I will be hauling that in my next haul. I do have a haul coming for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys my new planner, the one that I chose to go with. So I'm going to mark that. I didn't have the Erin Condren or the planner sticker marked just yet. I will go back and put that in. But anyways, on the 28th, I wanted to mark that this was the day that I finished filing for unemployment. Got all of that worked out. My boss helped me out with a bunch of stuff, so I just marked that with a couple stickers from GL Designs Group. On the 29th, I wanted to mark that I uploaded my Plan With Me, and I used that little sticker, the little laptop sticker from Sassy Planner Co. And then on the 30th, I wanted to mark that my boss's son had his birthday and we went over and celebrated that. So this is the final spread. This is what I have left over. I have a bunch of labels, boxes from the weekly kit, a bunch of half boxes from the kit. I used the washi, all of the boxes. I have some thin washi left and all the numbers. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much. Bye.